Here is a very quick tutorial on how to change the color palette in an existing photo that you have in Photoshop. So here I have this beautiful picture of a bird on a blue background, but I would really like it to pop more. So here's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to find a photo that I like that has that color pop that I'm looking for. In this case, I found this great photo on unsplash.com. So I'm going to bring some of these colors into my existing photo. Here's how you do that. Go to Image, Adjustments, Match Color. In here, you'll go to Source. Find the photo that has the color you like, which is this one. Now we can play around with these image options. Let's play around first with Luminance and see what happens when we go all the way down. A little too dark. All the way up, a little too bright. Maybe 3/4 of the way. That's nice. Now color intensity, same thing. Play around with the levels and see what you like. I'm gonna try about 3/4. And then the fade, let's see, trying to bring a little less vibrancy. I like that. So about halfway through. And there you go. It has a beautiful color background. It pops, and I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do is click OK. And there you have it.